Hello, my name is Kevin Doerr.
I'm Hobkirk.
I'm Erik Barnett.
And I'm Ryan Martell.
And our senior design was focused on the updating and upgrading of labs for wireless system administration. We all took wireless, and while we all really liked the class, we definitely thought that the labs could use some help. So we were really happy to get this project and to be able to put our time towards making these labs a better experience for students. Wireless is a very information-heavy class, and we all agree that the labs are an integral part of truly understanding material at its core. So the goals of this project were pretty simple. We began with removing deprecated software from labs so that they actually worked, updating existing lab material while keeping the labs consistent and faithful to their original goals. We wanted to add new labs focused on more modern industry relevant topics like ubiquity radios, and of course, we worked on streamlining labs for a more optimal learning experience for all students.
The two major problems we encountered while working with the labs were the lack of a standardized testing environment and using old and outdated software. The other two that we came up with rather frequently were an effective way of getting timely and good feedback from the students and actually writing down the labs, as we're all very inexperienced writing curriculum.
To overcome these hurdles, we first started by tackling the deprecated software. To do this, we updated and found new software that is more future-proof and will serve the lab environment for a good time to come. To solve the feedback issue, we used a two-pronged approach. The first was to take a very active role during the lab, taking feedback from students as they're doing the lab. And the other is to introduce a much stronger, more detailed feedback form for the post-lab feedback. And in terms of solving the lack of experience in writing lab documentation, that just improved as we wrote more labs and changed them for the better.
So all in all, we updated 6 labs that carried over from last year. We rewrote 2 of them pretty much entirely from the ground up and built 2 completely new labs utilizing donated ubiquity equipment like this 5 gigahertz sector antenna. We were able to review feedback for each lab and take all the students' opinions into account and change labs accordingly.
Some future recommendations we have for this project is to implement a Pixie server that will standardize the image across all the computers inside the lab environment. This will allow them to troubleshoot, the TA to troubleshoot the images swiftly when problems occur with the students. We also would like to have a long distance radio lab because the ubiquity radios are meant to go long distances and we were only able to show distances of around 30 feet.
Thank you.